everybody. Today we're going to be touring the farm on the four-wheeler.
And we're off. First things first, we have the horse arena. This is where we train our horses. We got the big twin pines. And now we're in our upper field. Over here we have a wood pile, some old plywood or whatever those stuff is. Then we have a tree stand up there in the back, if you can see it. Now we have deer trails going across the upper field with a bunny in them. That's nice. Now that we made it across, we're going to be heading through the midwoods, through a, bumpy trail. Watch out, there's trees. And we're heading over to the lower field. Whoa, this is bumpy. We have a tree stand back there. And now we're at the lower field. There's a big drop right here, careful. Tree. The lower field. It is absolutely beautiful down here. This is where we grow our hay and harvest it in the summer. And the sun's starting to set. It looks beautiful through the trees. That brings us to our horse pasture. Beautiful barn in the sunset. And over here, as we pull that way, we have horses. All the way out there in the distance. We just passed the tractor equipment. Oh, and our neighbor's dog's following us. Now we have Duck, Gus, Sterling, Mac, all the horses. They all say hi. And that concludes our farm tour. Thanks for watching, guys.